up? My name is Angel and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited Plus. Today I'm going to show you what a Hanabi or fireworks festival is here in Japan. And today we're going to experience it here in Sakai Town of Ibaraki. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's watch this. See you! Sakai Town, which is located in Ibaraki Prefecture, will be holding its 35th Fireworks Festival today, September 17th of 2022. There are many festivals and celebrations that are famous in Japan, and one of which is Hanabi Taikai or Fireworks Festival. It is expected that the residents of this town and even its neighboring towns are very excited that finally this event is going to be mounted this year. And to meet everyone's expectations, the administration and staff of Sakai Town made sure that this event will be a success. With a 600-meter wide exhibition place of Tony River, with over 30,000 magnificent firecrackers, the festival is predicted to be the best ever. A Japanese festival or celebration will not be complete without yatai or food carts and food booths. People could enjoy local delicacies while spending their much-deserved break and watch the breathtaking fireworks. Let us watch some parts of the show. Please enjoy watching! The event is definitely a success, and I will definitely be back next year. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking and sharing this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more Japanese learning contents. See you next time.